Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable secure boot especially for Battlefield 6 in MSI BIOS. It's pretty simple. All you have to do, just restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, hit right click on a power button and just click on restart. Now while your PC is restarting, we need to hit delete key continuously, just like spam the delete key until you're in your BIOS. And once the BIOS is open, go to settings, then select this option advanced. Right here we need to choose this one, Windows OS configuration, and just right here you're gonna see this setting, BIOS CSM/UEFI mode. Select that and set that on UEFI. Once you do that, you'll able to see this option for secure boot. So we don't need to open this now. Firstly, we need to save these changes and only then we'll able to enable secure boot. So to save these changes, just click on this cross icon and just select this on yes. Now your PC will again restart. So while your PC is restarting, we again gonna spam the delete key until we are in the BIOS. Now once the BIOS is open again, just go to settings, select the same option advanced, select this one, Windows OS configuration, and this time we're gonna click on this option secure boot. Right now you have the option for secure boot, which we'll just select and set this on enable. You can see that the secure boot is now enabled, but before you save these changes, you need to make sure that the secure mode should be set on standard. If it is not, just select this and set this on standard. Once you do this, just we again gonna click on this cross button and just save these changes. Now let your PC restarts, and once it is done, you can just go and type here in the search bar system information. Once you open that, you will see that the secure boot is now enabled, and that's exactly how you can enable secure boot for Battlefield 6 in your MSI BIOS. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.